Good evening. It's January 21st, 2022. This is going to be a very quick video how to pretty much block any website on a Windows machine. This is useful for if you are a parent possibly and want to block certain websites for your children or something of that nature, or you maybe just want to block certain like spyware sites and adware, stuff like that, from giving you ads. So the first thing you want to do, step number one, is you want to open up a notepad. However, you need to open it up as an admin, so simply press your Windows Start key, and then you go down to here where it says Run as Admin. You'll get a prompt. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And the answer is obviously going to be yes. So hit yes, and you get a brand new notepad file here. However, we want to open up an existing file, so I'm going to go down here where it says open, or if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, just press Control O, and you're going to navigate to a specific file path. You're going to navigate to C, Windows, System32, drivers, and then etc. However, I already have it in there, but we're going to just start from scratch so you guys can see where you want to go. So right now we're in the C drive. We go to Windows, scroll down to System32, and then from System32 we look for drivers, and then from drivers we go to the etc folder. And then notice there's nothing in here. However, the reason for that is here on the bottom where it has the extension, you want to change it from .txt to all files, and now the file that we're looking for will populate. And notice here in the type it says just file. There is no extension on this. That's very important. So you open it, and it's pretty much going to open up. So we're just going to read it. A few of the lines here. Anything with a hashtag or a pound sign in front of it is considered a comment. It is not actually read by the machine. So copyright 1993 through 2009, Microsoft Corporation. This is a sample host file used by Microsoft TCP/IP for Windows. It contains the mapping of IP addresses to host names. Each entry should be kept on an individual line. The IP address should be placed in the first column, followed by the corresponding host name. The IP and the host name should be separated by at least one space. So if you want to read this, just read this on your own time. And we're going to go down here. Here's where I put in some custom rules. As you can see, I have google.com in there, bitcoin.org, yahoo.com, and the big P hub, which I'm going to basically show you guys how these websites are blocked. I'm going to add Amazon in there, so very simple. Just type in the IP and you put in the host name you want to block. 127.0.0.1, that is considered your loop back address. So any website you want to block, pretty much just put your loop back address in there and you should be good to go. So unless you are obviously running some kind of web server or something of that nature. Otherwise, this is going to be used to pretty much effectively block anything. So I'm going to put in Amazon in there, and I'm also going to put in CNN.com. So right now, as the rules are written, we're blocking CNN.com, Amazon.com, Google.com, Bitcoin.org, Yahoo.com, and the big P hub, because we don't want those nasty websites. So anyway, you're gonna go up here to the top where it says file, then save, or if you want to be keyboard savvy, just do a Control S and it'll save. I'm gonna show you guys what happens if you open this file a different way, and you just go straight to the file through your file explorer. This is what's going to happen if you do it that way. So I'm just gonna, repetition is key, so C, and then we go to Windows, System32, and then from System32 we go to drivers again, and then etc, and it's automatically there. So I'm just going to open it again. It's gonna ask me what I want to open it with. You just hit Notepad, and here's the file. Here's the custom rules that I added in there. I'm gonna add one more and show you what's gonna happen because I did not open it the prescribed way. So I'm gonna just put in I don't know, mozilla.org, and then I'm gonna hit save, Control S, and now it's asking me where I want to save it as. However, I don't want to save it anywhere. I want to save it where it's originally located, so I'll just hit save, but it's not letting me, so I'll just give it host and hit save. So it says, you don't have permission to save in this location. Contact the administrator to obtain permission. Would you like to save in the documents folder instead? So obviously I'll hit no and just close out of this. So just so you guys know, you have to open it from the Notepad first as an admin. So the easiest way to do that is just Notepad and then run as admin and then hit yes, and you'll be able to open it up that way. That is how you will be able to make changes and save it where it needs to be saved. So I'll just open up the Notepad and put a side-by-side window so that we can see the websites that we're blocking in effect. So I'm gonna just go through all of them and show you guys pretty much the result of us modifying the host file. So CNN.com, I'm gonna open up a new tab. And then I'll do Amazon.com. These sites are all the sites that we blocked. Google.com. I'll do Bitcoin.org. And then Yahoo.com. And then obviously I'm not going to type in that last website, but this is really just so you guys see how it works. So it's going to say the site is not secure. Continue to site. Continue to site on all of them. Continue to site. Continue to site. So CNN.com, it says connection refused. Amazon.com, connection refused. Google.com, refused to connect, connection refused. Bitcoin.org, connection refused. And Yahoo.com, connection refused. And if I typed in this website, obviously I'd get the same result. So that's pretty much how you modify the host file. To show you guys that it was working, I'm going to now comment out the lines that we modified here, and then these websites should be able to come back up. Girl, you see me here, you gonna start snoring, really?
I'm so sorry.
You little beaver.
I'm so sorry.
Whatever, it's not that big a deal. Damn. I said it's not that big a deal. I was just joking with you. So here are the custom rules commented out. I need to open it up the proper way, so I'll just copy that. And I will open up Notepad as an admin again. And run as admin, hit yes, and then I just need to go to the file path, and luckily it's already there. I'll change it to all files. Remember, you need to do that, and then you open up your host. And I copied these rules, so I'll just paste that in there. So now the custom rules that I made have no effect again. So basically it's like they're not even there because I put the pound symbol or the hashtag in front of each line. So now these websites should function as intended. And now that I hit save, I'm going to close it out, and then I'm going to refresh the pages and they should work. So CNN works as it should. Amazon works as it should. Google.com works as it should. Let's see, Bitcoin.org, hit a refresh on it. And Bitcoin.org opens up. And now Yahoo.com, last but not least, Yahoo.com opens up. So that's pretty much how it works. Thank you for watching my video. That's pretty much how you block any website on a Windows machine. I hope this video was informative. I hope you gained some value from it. Do consider pressing that like button and call it a day. And that's pretty much how the cookie crumbles. Thank you for watching this video on how to modify your host file. Much love, peace.